If you take a look at this triangle, you can see that it is actually symmetrical about a vertical axis down the middle, just like that. And how can you figure that out? If you use your knowledge of similar triangles and ratios, and notice that these two sides here at the bottom of the smaller triangle are the same, you can determine that these two sides are also equal. So the base is split into two on either sides of the dotted line in the middle and will be 18 centimeters on either side. So because of that, it might be easiest for us to just find out the area of one side of this shaded piece and double it at the end. So let's examine the area of the left side. So the way that I feel is the easiest way to find the area of the shaded region is to consider the area of this left triangle and subtract the area of this white triangle at the top. That triangle right there. So let's first find the area of this big triangle on the left. We know that its base is 30, actually we split that in half, so 18 centimeters, and its height is 42. And we're dividing that by 2 for the area, which comes out to be 378 centimeters squared. All right, so what about the white triangle? Well, if this entire length here is 42 centimeters, and if you look closely, the smaller region that leads up to here is 16, and we have to subtract 16 from 42 to find this length here. That gives us 26 centimeters. So we know that if we tilt our head kind of to the left, we can see that the base of our triangle is 26 centimeters and its height will be this length here. Let me draw that in red. That length, just like that. And since that whole length across both of the triangles is 16, we'll know that it's half. So 8 centimeters there. So 26 times 8 divided by 2 is equal to 104 centimeters squared. So now we have to subtract the white triangle from the entire left side that is framed by that red line. So we have 300, let's write in white, 378 minus 104, and that gives us 274 centimeters squared. So that is the area of this left shaded piece, but we need to find the area of the whole thing. Since we know that the two are the same, we can just double 274, which gives us 548 centimeters squared. So you are welcome to try to calculate this in a number of different ways. This isn't the only method. It seemed the simplest to me, but you may have a whole other idea.